Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Fit transmission fluid. First, gather your essential tools, including a 24mm socket, a new crush washer, and a clean drain pan. It's also wise to have about 3½ quarts of Honda Genuine transmission fluid ready. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface with the parking brake engaged, and the engine is slightly warm for the best fluid flow. Now, carefully locate the transmission drain plug, typically found on the bottom of the transmission case. Position your drain pan directly underneath. Using your 24mm socket, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the fluid to come out quickly. Allow ample time, usually about 10 to 15 minutes, for all the old transmission fluid to completely drain out. Once the old fluid has fully drained, clean the drain plug and install a new crush washer. Reinsert the drain plug and tighten it securely to 33 foot-pounds using a torque wrench. Next, locate the transmission fill hole, often near the dipstick. Using a funnel, carefully add approximately 3½ quarts of fresh Honda Genuine transmission fluid. After adding the new fluid, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes. Shift through all the gears, pausing briefly in each, to circulate the new fluid. Then, turn off the engine and recheck the fluid level using the dipstick, ensuring it falls between the minimum and maximum marks. Finally, remember to dispose of your old transmission fluid responsibly at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.